Hello mga kamatics. Okay, so we are now in the fourth grading period. Okay, so we have here for the quarter 4 module 1 lesson 2 antiderivatives of algebraic functions. We have here the learning competency. Compute the antiderivative of polynomial, radical, exponential, and trigonometric functions. We have here the objective. Compute the antiderivative of algebraic functions. We have here the concept notes. Theorems on antidifferentiation. Okay, this is the theorem number 11. Okay, for letter A, we have the integral of dx is equal to x plus c. The second one, if n is any real number and n is not equal to -1, then the integral of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. For letter C, if a is any constant and if is a function, then the integral of a, the function of x dx, is equal to a, the integral of f of x dx. For letter D, we have if f and g are functions defined on the same interval, then the integral of f of x plus or minus the g of x is equal to the integral of f of x dx plus or minus the integral of g of x dx. We have here the example. Determine the integrals of the following. Number 1, we have the integral of 3 dx. Okay, so we have here the solution. Remember that the integral of 3 dx, this is the combination of the theorem 11a and c. So we have the integral of 3 dx is equal to 3 the integral of dx. Remember that 3 is a constant that is the value of a. Then the integral of dx from the theorem a, we have x plus c. So the value now is 3x plus c. That is the value of the integral of 3 dx. Okay, for number 2, we have the integral of x to the power of 6 dx. Okay, so we are going to use the letter B of theorem number 11. Okay, we have here the solution. The integral of x to the power of 6 dx is equal to x to the power of 6 plus 1, because that is n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So we have here x to the power of 6 plus 1 all over 6 plus 1 plus c. So the value now is equal to x to the power of 7 over 7 plus c. Example number 3, the integral of 1 over x to the power of 6 dx. And remember that 1 over x to the power of 6 is a fraction when we are going to change that one using the negative exponent. So it becomes the integral of x raised to the power of -6 dx, where n is -6. So we have here the solution by using the theorem number 11 letter B. So we have here the value of n is -6. So the integral of x raised to the power of -6 dx is equal to x to the power of -6 plus 1 all over -6 plus 1 plus c. Okay, we simplify. We have x raised to the power of -5 over -5 plus c. Remember that our exponent is negative, so when we are going to change that one to become positive, so it becomes a denominator of the fraction. So we have here The answer now is negative 1 over 5x to the power of 5 plus c. Okay, next, another example, the integral of 12x squared plus 2x dx. Okay, so this is the combination of three theorems of theorem number 11. That is letter B, C, and D. Okay, so we have here the solution. First thing to do is we are going to use first the letter D of theorem number 11. Okay, from the integral of 12x squared plus 2x dx is equal to the integral of 12x squared dx plus the integral of 2x dx. That is theorem letter D. Next, after that is we are going to use the theorem letter B, which is A, the constant, the integral of f of x dx. Okay, so we have here 12, the integral of x squared dx plus 2, the integral of x dx. Then after using that one, we are going to use the theorem number 11 letter B, where we are going to find the value of n. And the first given for the f of x, which is 12, the integral of x squared dx, the value of n is 2. So we have here the 12x cubed over 3, because the integral of x squared dx is x cubed over 3, because n plus 1. Since the value of n is 2, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So that it becomes 12x cubed over 3 plus 2, the integral of x dx. And the integral of x dx is 2 times x squared over 2. Then after that, we are going to divide 12x cubed divide 3. The result is 4x cubed plus 2x squared over 2. The result is x squared plus c. So therefore, the answer of the integral of 12x squared plus 2x dx is equal to 4x cubed plus x squared plus c. Okay, what's more? We have here the exercises. You're given 4 exercises to answer the given. Thank you for listening, and do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe my channel.